To construct a kite, which of the following is necessary? See here, firstly, what is kite? Say this slide. This is a kite. In kite, what is the peculiarity of a kite? Two pairs of adjacent sides are congruent. Means this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this, and the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, are at right angle. One pair of opposite angles are equal. See, this angle and this angle are equal. The longer diagonal of a kite bisects the shorter diagonal, means this diagonal longer bisects the shorter diagonal. Okay, so remember these 4 points for a kite. Option A, two adjacent unequal sides and included diagonal. Okay, let's start with A. Let's construct the kite PQRS. Start with point P. So with option A, you'll keep the compass at point P and draw an arc over here, because two unequal sides are known. This is smaller, this is longer. Let's say this is 5, this is 7. So you'll draw this arc at 5 and draw this arc at 7. Now you know one diagonal. But where will you start? Where will you cut this? Because you don't know anything else, right? So with option A, it is not possible. Now option B, two adjacent equal sides and included diagonals. Here, this is point P. Equal sides I know. Suppose 5, 5. Both are 5, 5. So I'll put a compass point over here and draw an arc of 5 and draw an arc of 5. Now next what? Where will I draw the line? Because I have to draw a diagonal also. For diagonal I need to know first two equal lines, and I need to cut these arcs somewhere. But I don't know anything. So this is also not true. Third, length of the opposite sides. Okay, let's check this also. Suppose in this kite, I know the length of the opposite sides. This is 5 and this is 7. Okay, I'll put a point over here, draw an arc of 5 and draw the arc of 7, because these two sides would be equal. So arc of 7 over here, arc of 5 over here. Okay, where is the next point? I don't know anything. Where should I put the next point? So that's why this is also not true. So the answer is D, none of these. But then now the answer is D, but then the question of yours will be, what is actually required to construct a kite? What is the minimum requirement? So what you need actually to draw a kite is the length of the adjacent sides, means these opposite sides, and one angle between the similar sides, means same sides, any one angle. Suppose even if you know this angle, then also it's okay. So what three conditions? One, length of one side, length of the other side, bigger side, and one angle between this. Now you'll say, if this is the case, only three conditions are required. Then there is a basic premise of quadrilateral which says that 5 conditions are required to draw a quadrilateral. Where are the 5 conditions then? Here only 3 are required. One side smaller, one side bigger, and one angle between either smaller sides or bigger sides, anyone. So these are the 3 conditions, and the remaining 2 conditions, basically 5 are required, that's for sure. So remaining 2 conditions are, this side is equal to this side, this smaller side. This is condition number 4, and condition number 5 is this side is equal to this side. So this is condition number 5. It is inbuilt in the kite, that's why these 2 conditions are not shown. But basically for any quadrilateral, 5 elements are required. If these unset conditions are there, because these are the basic properties of the kite, so that's why they are not written. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis. You will learn them within 3 months. But do it with a discipline. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.